tonight's game underway. All right, the puck is at center ice, and we're off. All right, Jets fans, there is both teams of the Greendale Jets who has some of the blue jerseys and some of the white jerseys. They want their support. Jets fans, who's cheering for that team in blue? And who's cheering for team in white? All right, Jets fans, now that you pick your team, that you see them still on goal, who wants to cheer like the real Jets are still on goal? Team white is in possession of the puck, but they lose the center ice. Oh, Team white has it on the breakaway. Number 19, he's there, he's there. Just 1 minute remaining in Tim Hortons 10-minute hockey. Looking to tie it up. Team blue in possession of the puck. It's loose at the blue line. Team white. Team white playing a strong defensive game against Team blue. This is the opportunity. 30 seconds left in the game. Oh my goodness, Jets fans.